I don't know if I've actually said this on camera at all, but I'm on the way to Winston-Salem again because nobody in Greensboro keeps anything in stock that I need. But that's what I'm doing right now. Instead of working, I am driving to Winston, which is the next city over. It's not that far, about a 45-minute drive, something like that. I don't actually know how long it takes, but it's not a long drive. Just annoying that I can't ever find what I need in the city I live in. But luckily, Winston's not that far, and I'll be back within like the hour and a half-ish, something like that. I don't remember what time I left. I don't see a clock. I got my radio off, so it's not making noise. I don't know what time it is. Oh, yay. Traffic's already backing up, and I'm not even to my exit yet. I'm pretty sure this traffic is backing up for the exit I need. But I'm not getting over until I know that. Yay, traffic jam. Yay. Yep, there's downtown Winston, so that is most likely the 52 exit that is backed up like this. Oh, I'm having to get over anyways. Wow, that sucks. I never paid attention to the highway enough to know this. Anyways, I'll shut up downtown Winston. I think I'll go by. I don't know if I can see it from the highway though, but I might be able to show you where my wife works at Pepsi. I don't know if you can see that building from the highway though. It's right there at Wake Forest University. I don't know if you can see it, but we got a pace car out. Alright, this is my exit. Whew. I have drove 75 miles total today between dropping my kids off, getting back to work, and then now coming to Winston. And I still got to get back to the shop. But now that I know it's 75, and I'm only like a mile or two away from where my destination is, so I can see how many miles it is from this place to my shop that I have to come here every so often to get. This place actually carries a lot of the small block, like older Chevy stuff, like especially like the stuff you gotta have for like the crate motors and stuff like that I can't find in Greensboro. So there's that. So I come up here for a lot of that kind of stuff. Alright, I'm actually here now. Modern Chevrolet classic muscle. There's always some tire marks down here where somebody's been burning some rubber. There's one. There's a good one right there on the left hand side. Good and long. Jesus. And straight up just tearing them tires up. Yeah, old donuts down here. Always new tire marks around here. Don't know why the people feel when leaving this place they need to burn the tires off their car, but they do. I'm mad I've never thought to ask them this before. I just assumed that they didn't deliver because the dumb head that I originally went into business with, he's the one that showed me where this place was. And we always drove over here. I just asked him, I said, do y'all ship and how much would it cost to get it shipped to my shop and blah, 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 just to see if it was worth it instead of me driving it, because this is a decent amount of time it takes me to do all this. And the guy's like, yeah, he's like, where's your shop at? And I was like, Greensboro. He's like, yeah, we got 2 trucks a day that run to Greensboro. I was like, well, how much does that cost? He's like, oh, it's free. Free. So I've been driving to Winston to pick this crap up because I just assumed, because dummy head used to drive us up here, that you had to. And found out that I don't even have to leave the shop. All I gotta do is just be like, hey, bring me some stuff for free. Anyways, Jesus. Gonna grab the door. So, just got back from Winston. Got my parts. Gonna go over here and put these down. And they go right there for now. I'm gonna get those heads and put the springs on it, but I ran into a problem. Ran into a little problem. Let's turn it towards me. Unfortunately, though I have the parts, I forgot to put the heads back in the washer yesterday to get all the wool off of them so I could bead blast them and get them over here and start cutting everything. So, they're in the washer now. Washing. Jeez, it's always something. But anyways, I got the parts I need. So, I told the guy I would try to get them done today, which is Friday. Is this thing not focusing on me? Is it not focusing? I don't know why my camera keeps having issues unless I get it extremely close on me and then pull away. And then it seems to want to focus. I guess, whatever. Anyways, I told him I have them done today, which is Friday, which isn't going to happen because they're in the washer, and I'm probably going to let them dry, and then I'm going to come back up here tomorrow on Saturday and finish them or do them completely. Right now I'm going to, because the LT1 that I think I was talking to you about it yesterday, I've got it almost broken completely down, but the guy came in and we discussed scrapping that idea, and we're going to do a 6-liter LS swap in his Camaro instead, which is going to be way better. He's going to like that way better than this LT1. The LT1 sucks, so just don't. He's like, man, we'll stroke it and blah blah blah. I'm like, how about we don't? How about we just, if you really want a 6-liter, let's get that, because that's going to be a much better motor than that. But anyways, so that's on hold now. But I had a 351M dropped off today, and it's pretty much broken down at this point, but I'm gonna get it on a engine stand and start tearing the complete bottom end of it apart and get the timing off and all that, and get that washed today also. So hopefully if I can get those heads done, I can actually start on that, like machining it and everything tomorrow also, which would be awesome, because I need to get some stuff done in a hurry around here. I had the bank screw me over this month. But anyways, had a bunch of stuff with my financials, went really crazy. Like over $2,000 I lost in a matter of like 4 days. So I gotta make some money so I can actually pay the bills for this month. Anyways, we'll get something done around here. Alright, end of the day. Like I said earlier, I am not working on that LT1 anymore. The heads I was going to work on, I didn't work on them either. I kept them in the washer. Like I said, I forgot to wash them, so I'm going to pull them out, let them dry overnight, hopefully be able to blast them tomorrow when I get here. But the 351M is gone. It is completely broken down. It is in a bucket. It's in this bucket right here. So right there, that's the 351M. There's this block. The heads are over there somewhere, along with the oil pan. So I need to grab that oil pan, put it in this bucket. That way there, it's all together. And like I said, I'm gonna go back here and get these heads out the washer, and I'm going home for the day. Y'all have fun. It's Friday. All right, another vlog. Edits in. This is where I have to do the whole rundown of, over here's a like button. You hit that, that'll help the algorithm out so other people can watch this video other than just maybe the 1 or 2 people that are seeing it right now. There's a comment section right here. Click on that. That way there you can argue with me over what you disliked about this video, and maybe other people will comment and then they will argue against your argument. Comment sections, they're out of control. Anyways, subscribe button right over here. Make sure you hit that. Ring the bell. That way there you get all the notifications, everything I'm uploading. I will talk to you guys later. You know what I hate the most about winter? If you look behind me, you would think it was midnight. It is 5:30 in the afternoon, people. 5:30 afternoon. 5:30 in the afternoon. Looks like it's midnight. Like I'm just now leaving work. You would think it was midnight. This is ridiculous. Winter sucks. Or this the whole time change thing. It needs to go away.